Want to make money with AI, guaranteed to work in just minutes or without hardly lifting a finger? Well, in this AI tutorial video, I'll show you 5 foolproof ways of how to make money online with AI using the best free AI tools and some paid AI tools too. Tools such as the best free AI image generators, text to video AI generators, AI writing tools, AI recommendation chatbots, generative AI, and more. Let's get straight into it. Method 1. AI-powered recommendation engines. In the online shopping world, smart tech like AI recommendation systems, the same kind that giants like Amazon and Netflix use, can be totally game-changing for small businesses. These clever systems can suggest products or content to shoppers, seriously boosting chances for cross-selling and upselling. So if you're developing an AI agent for your website, then I would say it's a no-brainer to integrate Ionic Commerce, which is essentially a recommendation engine that you can plug into your AI agent absolutely free. Ionic's unique API bridges the gap between artificial intelligence and e-commerce, optimizing sales and simplifying transactions in unprecedented ways. You do not need a shopping-specific AI assistant to use Ionic. Ionic is the infrastructure that powers any AI agent to make it a recommendation engine. This then allows anyone with a chatbot to monetize when users purchase through the recommended affiliate links. For example, the AI assistant can help you with interior design and also recommend products for users to purchase based on their designs. Ionic opens up new revenue streams for AI developers through an extensive affiliate catalog, transforming innovation into income. Monetization through Ionic involves your AI assistant recommending products, leading to user purchases from which you earn sales commissions. This model offers significant earning potential for those integrating Ionic into their GPTs. Starting with Ionic is free and straightforward. By joining Ionic Commerce, businesses and developers alike step into a new era of e-commerce innovation and profitability on a rev share basis. That is, Ionic only makes money when you do. To learn more on how to make money with AI using this method, click my special promo link in the description and pin comment below. Method 2. AI automated faceless YouTube channel. Harness AI-powered tools such as InVideo, Pictory, or Flicky to craft engaging content for a faceless YouTube channel, turning your AI side hustle into a source of income. These top AI apps offer a seamless way to produce AI automated videos complete with an AI automated voiceover, perfect for making money with AI online and boosting your presence as an AI influencer. The general workflow for creating automated videos with these AI apps include content selection. Choose templates or input scripts. InVideo also includes a built-in prompt engine that then creates a script for you. Generate the content and review what it comes up with. Storyboard customization. Once the content is produced, you can go in and change the script, edit the stock footage that's been used to overlay over the script, and more. Visual and audio enhancement. Add further images, clips, and music. Voiceover integration. Select or upload narrations. These apps often include built-in AI voiceovers. Review and edit. Refine for coherence and appeal. Export and upload. Download the finalized videos for sharing. This efficient workflow optimizes AI video creation tools for top-notch content creation, perfect for a faceless YouTube channel. Each phase boosts engagement, blending information, entertainment, and visual allure tailored to your audience. Post your AI-generated videos on YouTube, tapping into ad revenue sharing with Google. Pro tip: enhance earnings by featuring products or services and including affiliate links in the video descriptions and the video itself, leveraging your AI influencer status for additional income. Promo links to these apps I've covered are linked below. Method 3. Sell AI images. Explore AI imagery with Playground AI and Leonardo AI to monetize digital art on a platform such as Wirestock. Utilize these top AI tools for AI art and AI images, enhancing your AI influencer presence or AI side hustle, a direct route to making money with AI online. The workflow of these AI tools include conceptualize, define the theme and style of your desired images. Craft prompts. Write detailed and specific text prompts to guide the AI. Use trial and error here. Customize. Adjust any available artistic style and quality settings before generating. Generate and refine. Produce the images, refine as needed until satisfied by either changing some of the settings or changing the prompt itself. Download. Save the AI generated images after upscaling to your device. Prepare for sale. Ensure images meet stock platform specifications and add tags and descriptions where required. After crafting your AI generated images, Pivot to making money with AI by listing your artwork on a platform such as Wirestock. Start by setting up an account, uploading your creations, and tagging them with relevant keywords for AI marketing visibility. Post-review approval, your AI art hits the marketplace ready for buyers. This transition from AI tool-assisted creation to monetization on stock sites exemplifies a cutting-edge AI business model, presenting artists a dynamic way to leverage their AI influencer potential and launch a profitable AI side hustle. Again, check out my links below for special promotions for these 3 apps. Method 4, AI writing. Launching into the world of AI writing tools such as Jasper AI or ChatGPT for creating blogs or ebooks on Kindle Direct Publishing presents a profitable path for digital content creators. This efficient method taps into the best AI tools, enabling you to make money online and embark on an AI side hustle by generating engaging, AI-crafted content for your AI influencer platform or AI business. The general workflow here is choose your niche. Select an engaging topic that captures interest and guides your content's direction. Outline with AI. Use AI tools like Jasper AI or ChatGPT to craft structured outlines, ensuring a coherent flow and full topic coverage. AI drafting. Feed outlines to AI for expansion into detailed, engaging texts, speeding up the writing process while keeping quality high. Edit for impact. Enhance AI content with personal touches, ensuring accuracy and readability for audience resonance. Prepare for Kindle. Format your manuscript to align with Kindle Direct Publishing standards for optimal reader experience. Launch on Kindle. Submit your ebook to Kindle Direct Publishing, price it, and present it to a global audience for potential revenue. Boost visibility. Promote your ebook or blog using social media and email marketing to increase visibility, readership, and sales. Pro tip. Enhance earnings by embedding affiliate links for recommended products or services within your content, leveraging additional income opportunities. Method 5, freelance photo editing. Embarking on a freelance journey as a photo editor on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, especially when utilizing generative AI tools such as Photoshop and Luminar Neo, involves a strategic approach to showcase your skills and attract clients. The workflow here is to master tools and portfolio. Gain proficiency in generative AI with Photoshop and Luminar Neo. Build a portfolio showcasing your AI-enhanced work. Set up and optimize profiles. Create professional profiles on Fiverr and Upwork, emphasizing AI editing skills and using targeted keywords. Launch with competitive pricing. Begin with attractive rates, delivering exceptional AI-enhanced work, and adjust pricing based on feedback and experience. Feedback and continuous learning. Encourage client reviews to build your reputation and stay updated on the latest in AI photo editing. Network and manage. Engage with the freelancing community for growth opportunities and efficiently manage your projects and communications. By following these steps, you can successfully launch and grow your freelancing career as a photo editor using generative AI, making the most of platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to showcase your skills and connect with clients globally. Check out my promo links below to get started with these platforms. Exploring the AI tools I've mentioned and applying them to these 5 methods offers innovative ways to monetize your skills. Embrace AI, unlock your creative potential, and turn your passion into profit in this exciting digital era. Watch this video next to learn how to make money with AI crypto coins. Also, subscribe to the channel so you can get more AI updates as they happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.